Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Syed Hussein. I from student from Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta University, and I want to speak in front of you all about domination of South Korea economy in the international world. Okay. South Korea is one of the countries that are able to compete in the world economy with the result of their trade and their film industry. Okay, South Korea economy is highly calculated by the world view because they are filled and enthusiastic in their economy and are able to make their country a developed country. South Korea is one of the countries that are able to compete in the world economy with the result of their countries uh, include in the G20 G20. So South Korea is one of the countries include the G20 in front of uh, the second of the point in second. Okay, South Korea is one of the countries included in the G20. So with the South Korea is a country to be recognized with for other countries, which is cooperation in the Asia Pacific economy. Asia Pacific economy, the World Trade Organization, and the Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development. There are many nicknames given to South Korea, such as the Asian tiger. The Korean is Asian tiger, and even one of the countries that is able to dominate the world economy in the next 11. We can call it a big economy for the next 10 years. South Korea economy is very fast, and is often referred as a miracle on or has referred. Okay. In the history of South Korea is a country that used to be a unitary state of Korea, which is split into two sides, becoming South Korea and North Korea. The two countries are at war, which is order, because they have different ideologies. South Korea with adheres to liberalism, and North Korea adheres to communism. And the two ideologies emerged when two ideologies were the biggest ideologies in the world. At the time, the Korean government was very weak because it's that era South Korea was still heavily affected by the Second World War. South Korea was one of the colonist countries of Japan, and it had a very big impact in the Korean government in that area. The South Korea government is still very second, was influenced hard and there because they are strong enough to present their identity to the world at the time. So the influence of the two ideologies also affected their lives and their education, and they become different in understanding and therefore sovereignty of their own country because they felt different. They also fought each other in the famous war, namely the Korean War. Okay, the third point is South Korea. They must donate then their economic system also address to the capital system. Okay, countries that use a system of liberalism, such as South Korea, they must be denied that their economy system also address to the capital system, and the capital system in the economy is which big capital to make it biggest, or you could say it's business management. How do we have capital and it must be able to get something? We want to be even bigger. the liberal system is very important in the economic system because it can increase the income of a country and their income will increase in the next few years. That's why South Korea used so that their country become a developed country by getting a place in the G20. The G20 itself is very difficult to enter into the association because it contains many countries that have high quality economies in the world. Therefore, it's very difficult to enter the G20. Okay. South Korea also has many ways to build their I'm sorry. The third of point is South Korea also has many ways to build their economy, such as the World Trade Organization and cooperation between countries, as well as bilaterally and multilaterally, such as commercial cooperation and non-commercial cooperation. South Korea also has many ways to build their economy, such as the World Trade Organization and cooperation between countries, as well as bilaterally and multilaterally, such as a commercial cooperation and non-commercial cooperation. Commercial cooperation itself is a cooperation like a work project of we can take in analogy like a foreign investor. Do you know it, investor? Okay. The country of liberalism is curtailed in terms of its foreign policy, such as being free and active by the Indonesian state, which invites foreign investors to enter and become share from South Korea, so that South Korea will rise in the term of finance and economy. Non-commercial cooperation as such as imported goods and export South Korea is also engaged in technology, such as Japan. South Korea also has sophisticated technology, and there are many products from South Korea which are spread in various countries, even in Indonesia, such as Samsung Jets and other. With that South Korea become one of developed and developing countries in terms of technology. When a country's technology is advanced and has spread to the world, and the country can be called a country that has progressed to in terms of knowledge and economy, and it will advance with the time in this era of modernity. Okay. South Korea technology is very good and successful in world trade, like Samsung, Sony, as it. This is South Korea economy. This is South Korea economy that which is increased year by year, and it makes their country more and more take into account by the world wherever and wherever, because South Korea per capita is getting higher, and this is South Korea per capita or economic growth as follows. Okay, that is years from 2013 at 2022. Okay, South Korea economy will continue to rise even in the world economy. Such a trade, culture, and other have followed at the time, and they now have followed the flow. Maybe some of their countries have accidentally said that South Korea culture has answered their country. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks a lot for your attention. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.